Alright, we can use technology to graph this. Then we need to find where they cross, because we're going to draw a line through that point, and we'll find the area of this part of the region first, because the endpoint is black. And then for this region, we'll do a separate integration there because the endpoint is blue. So the black curve is this area as we sweep from 0 to whatever the theta value is there. And then we'll add the area using the blue curve as the boundary as our angle rotation sweeps until we cover all of it. So when do these curves run into each other? When cosine is equal to sine, which is when they're both root 2 over 2, which is when theta is pi over 4. So for region 2, which is using the black curve as the end, 1/2 times the black curve's radius squared d theta. That was from 0 to pi over 4. Then as the radius keeps sweeping around from pi over 4 to pi over 2 of the blue curve, which is r1, 2 cosine of theta, the area will be 1/2 radius squared d theta. And that's it. We can enter that into our calculator and get the final answer.